Okay, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the stop motion app using the green screen feature. So you are making a stop motion video with green screen. So you're looking for the pink or purple video camera right here, or you see it up here, it's called stop motion. Go ahead and click on it to open it. If you hit the light bulb in the top left hand corner right here, there are a bunch of tutorials. Some of them I have on the website, some of them I don't. So if you're looking for any help, you might want to look through these tutorials. I'm going to go back to the home button. To start a new project, you're going to hit the plus sign. It'll bring your camera up right away. If you are on a new app, it might tell you that it might ask you to approve the camera, so go ahead and do that. Make sure you have your green screen set up. You should have an idea of what your scene is going to be. That might change while you're making your video, but have an idea. So I just have a couple of characters here for the video. Now, you have to get your green screen set up on the app before you start taking pictures. If you start taking pictures and then you turn the green screen setting on, it will not apply to any pictures you've already taken, only pictures you continue to take. So you need to start by doing this. Don't forget this step. Underneath the red camera button on the side and the play button, there are 3 lines. So click on those 3 lines, and then you have this camera here. You have some other options. We're looking for this one right here in the middle, where you'll turn on your green screen and notice right away that my scene is set. Now, it automatically sets it to this sky, but I'll show you how to change the background in a second. Notice that I had a couple of things that were green that have also disappeared. So keep that in mind. You can't have things that are green in your scene. Now, I'm not going to really make a scene, so I don't really care that my heads are missing right now. But you will want to make sure that you don't have any missing things to your scene, and you'll be able to do that right here. The button right next to the green, blue, and off screen will help you set your background. Now, there are a whole bunch of pre-made backgrounds. You can look through those pre-made backgrounds, or you can add a new one. So if you click the orange add button in the corner, it's going to take you to your media center. Right now it's empty. I'm going to hit the add button at the top and insert from photos or videos. But first I have to get one. So I'm going to go to Safari down here in the corner. I'm just going to open up Safari, do a search. I'm just going to make mine on the moon. So I'm going to do a search for moon. And I'm going to go ahead and click on images. When you find one that you like, I really want the moon. Yeah, maybe this one here. When you find one you like, you're going to click on it with your finger and hold it until you get these options. And you want to click the option that says Save to Photos. So it's towards the bottom right here, Save to Photos. Then I'm going to go back into my stop motion app, and I'm going to go to Photos or Videos. And there's my moon picture. And then click Add. Whoops, sorry. And then click on it. And there you go. Make sure everything's set before you start taking pictures. So this isn't exactly where I want to be. I may want to move my iPad around a little bit. It's important that you keep your iPad in the exact same spot every time you take pictures. Otherwise, your characters or your scene may not end up in the right spot. So I have my stand out. I put my camera here, and I don't want to move it again. I want to make sure it's in the same spot every time. Okay? If you have anything in your, if you have any folds showing in your green screen here, you want to smooth things out so you don't see any green. This is your opportunity to do that. And then you'll take your pictures. Okay? Move your characters slightly, whatever scene you're setting. Move your hand out of the way. I'm just going to move them a little bit more. The smaller movements you make, the better your screen will be. Make sure there's no hands or anything in the video. And you get the point. Oh, jeez. You're going to take a lot more time than Mr. Cerny's taking. Okay. Now down here are where all your pictures are. If anything doesn't turn out, you can click on one and delete it. I think you have to hold your finger on it. Maybe not. There we go. And you can push this play button over here and see how your scene is going. All kinds of other settings you want to mess with as well. Pause that. Have fun with your green screen stop motion app. You can add different backgrounds at different times as well. So if my characters are getting in, let's say the space shuttle right now, and then I want to add a new background. So I can go, let's see, go back in here. Let's go in space maybe. And then, whoops. If I want to get my own background, I can, but maybe this one works from here. And notice, I haven't moved my characters, but notice down at the bottom, the background has changed. So you can have many different scenes with different backgrounds at different times and make a really, really, really cool video with this app. I probably haven't covered anything. It's a pretty new app to me. So if you have any questions, again, you can always go to those tutorials, hit this arrow at the bottom, gets you back out here, check out these tutorials if there's something that you want to try to learn, or you can raise your hand and ask Mr. Cerny as he practices this app with different groups. He'll learn more things. And when you're ready to save, it saves automatically, but you want to make sure you put your name on it. So click on your project and hold until you get this. Put your name on it. That way, when multiple groups are working on the same iPad, you'll be able to find your project easily. I hope you have a lot of fun.